Woman shot dead and two others injured by gunman in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 3 people were shot, one fatally, when heavily armed men invaded a home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Monday morning. One woman, identified as Andrea Mitchell Young, a dressmaker of Homestead section of the community, was taken out in the attack. 2 other occupants of the house were also injured. Reports are that around 1 a.m. this morning, the woman and her family were at home sleeping when men armed with high-powered weapons kicked off the front door and opened fire, hitting all of them. They were rushed to the hospital where the woman succumbed to her injuries and the others admitted in serious condition. The Spanish Town police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.